Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look of this style and how are we liking it. Let's quickly get into specs of what I have on today. I have on a Big Pony drawstring, and this is from Zury Hollywood. And this is in the style Miss Bang Lexi. I have on the color FS1B30. So with this drawstring pony, it has lace right here. It's a split bang lace part to give you a realistic look. Honestly, I think it does a good job giving you a realistic look. Pretty much all you have to do is just put your natural hair in a bun and just put the drawstring on, and it was pretty easy. Honestly, it really just gives like a realistic natural look. This is like the perfect style to do for the summer and springtime because it is getting really hot and you don't want hair on your neck or on your back. And honestly, this is just a perfect go-to style. Now, I did review another Bang Pony drawstring as well from them. I just wanted to try a different color because this is so pretty. Now, and I feel like it really just blends in with my hair. You can see the little highlights of the brown, but it's not too much and not too little of the highlights, and it's just perfect. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this drawstring pony, I am going to link it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you so much for tuning into my videos. I really do appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.